SEAFOAMs. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Today we got SEAFOAMs. I don't know, man. I'm just happy that Jordan 1s are coming back, and they're coming back in a lot of different kind of colorways. Remember, it was a time they was like, yo, the Jordan 1s are coming out too much. Ain't been like that in a couple of months.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
Man, so the SEAFOAM joints is new to the Jordan 1 silhouette. We never really seen nothing like this. It is a woman exclusive. I'm not sure how we feel about these yet, or how I feel about these yet, but I'll let y'all know by the end of the video. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. So it comes in your red Fearless box, but sometimes not only Fearless Jordan 1s come in this box, the women exclusives usually get the red also. I like this box better than the OG. Granted, I like red a lot. So let's read it. It says Women Air Jordan 1 High OG. The color is seafoam, white, and healing orange. And I had to get a size 12 because that accumulates to a men's 10 and a half. So you get your red and black box, guys. Very nice. Now I got questions. I want to know why this is a women exclusive. I really don't know. Forgot to show you guys the tag here. You do have a hanging Nike Air tag, same color as the sneaker. They gave us all the bells and whistles with this one, man. But I feel like this shouldn't be a woman exclusive. Granted, it is, and I'm happy for the women. They need more. But I feel like this just could have been a regular Jordan 1, in my opinion. And boom. Up close and personal, Jordan 1 SEAFOAMs. Now, the video's not going to really give y'all too much detail, but this is soft, man. This is one of the softest silhouettes Jordan 1s that I've seen. This material is soft, guys. Very, very soft, man. Jordan brand did their Yeezy impression and just gave us an earth tone, neutral, seafoam color. But very nice, man. I wish it was more of the mint color, but very nice shoe. And I love when they give us different shoestrings. So you got the seafoam shoestring, same color as the sneaker. The white, same color as the sneaker. But they come laced in a shoestring we never seen before. Damn. So I can see it's like a burnt orange shoestring with like a sail white in the inside of it. Chrome silver tips. Doesn't read anything. But that's a dope look. The tongue has the same seafoam color there. The Nike Airs is there. The bottom also. Very dope sneaker. I'm trying to think, does the sizing change really from a woman's sneaker? I do own the Fearless, UNC the Chicagos, and I got a lot of women Jordan 1s, but I don't think the sizing really changed for me. In the comment section below, let me know if they fit different for you or they wider. But yeah, I feel like this shouldn't be a woman exclusive. I mean, I like this sneaker. I see resale going to maybe 300 just because it's a different type of Jordan 1. Suede nubuck all the way around. The color is just different, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. It's just a quick video on the latest Jordan 1 SEAFOAM joints. Yeah, I know we love Jordan 1s over here. I'm your boy C-Nos. Thanks for checking me out. Everybody, get rich.